Today's sponsor is going to be Brae USA, Brae, Bond Angel. So I have it next to me because there are a couple steps, so I wanted to make sure that I was correct when talking about it. It is a treatment for your hair. I have a code, it's on the screen, and then shop the link in the description. It's 20% off. First of all, can we talk about the price? It is $13.50, and the reviews say they saw results with the Bond Angel after one use. So it is for all hair types, so that's cool because I have definitely fine straight hair, but if you have super curly hair, you could use it as well. 3 ingredients that are really important to talk about, and that is macadamia oil, cocoa oil, and then I don't know how to pronounce it, ojon. And they basically provide all the essential substances to have very shiny, fresh out of the salon hair. The benefits of this product are it improves hair strength and integrity, which I need because my hair is just meh. Keeps it healthy looking, makes your hair more glossy but not greasy, I've noticed. Promotes intense hydration and enhances hair softness and shine. There's just a couple steps on how to use it, but basically you're going to wash your hair like normal and then towel dry it, mix a little bit of this or the whole thing. I guess it depends on your hair. So I only have, I have very fine hair, so I probably wouldn't need the whole bottle, but if you do have, luscious locks, 1, I'm jealous, and 2, you probably need more than I would. But you're gonna mix that with water. It says 2 ounces of water, and you're gonna get like a white gel consistency. I'll add photos and stuff from the website. I tried to take photos, but it's not as good. So you're going to apply it on your clean hair, and you're gonna wait 15 minutes, and then you are going to rinse it out, blow dry, and enjoy. So I actually did read a bunch of reviews. I'm kind of a review junkie, and one of the girls kept it on overnight and said that she woke up with hair like she had just gotten a Brazilian blowout, which I think is super awesome because it's literally $13, so why not try it? Definitely just a one treatment and you feel good, which is really nice because I'm a little impatient when it comes to treatments, and usually I want to see results as soon as possible. So the fact that this is really just a one and done kind of product, I absolutely love that, and it lasts for a very long time. So if you're interested, use the coupon code Crystal20 to save 20% off. It's literally $13.50, which is extremely affordable compared to other brands that say they do the same thing. That is it for this little promo, and we will go right back on to the video. But yeah, so once again, thank you Brae USA for sponsoring this. Go and get Bond Angel.